我大学毕业后呢，我是回到了家乡，我是希望可以向全世界的人展现我们这个传统的手工艺为我们这个传统手工艺呢注入现代新活力，也可以为他们去增加收入，就会有更多的人去传承我们这份宝贵的非物质文化遗产，
让大家参与进来，我们的传承才叫生生不息。我们都要选择农闲的时节，我们就要跟他培训，全部送到家里面去。
In Bomwe here, when you say Kente, we say it's a generational impact, a skill passed down through generations upon generations. It's a visual representation of our history, our philosophy.
So now, because of the social media, some people don't even know you, but because of what you have seen on your page, he can trace and call you, and then give you an order or send you the needed clothes the person wants.
So as our ancestors fought for this heritage, and we also trying to protect and promote it. So as we want our next generation to continue this.
作为新生代的后浪，我们要给传统的苗绣融入新的生命力，把我们年轻人的新生活、新想法和数千年的苗绣技艺相结合，给它新的活力，把苗绣技艺发扬光大。